I'm Lucy Baker, I'm a confidence coach and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I help women to become confident inside and out. I don't know if any of you have ever done this, but if you buy yourselves a beautiful book and use it as your journal, it's something where you can really get your thoughts and feelings out on paper. And the reason it's good is because, like all of us, whether you're going through illness or not, you have millions of things going around in your head, and to get those out on paper helps you acknowledge those feelings and thoughts, and it really kind of starts to help them make sense, and it's something you can look back on and kind of stand back from as well, so that you've got a kind of bird's eye view on what's going on in your head. So journaling is a great thing. I suggest that everybody goes out and buys a book that you love, so something, you know, not just a sort of notebook from your local shop, but maybe a hardback book that's lovely, and write in it. Use moments of time to write in it and get your thoughts on paper.